Assalamualaikum and greetings. We are from Team Innovators.
We are from 4 students from SMK BAHANG Penampang,
And our team consists of me, ZHARIFAH,
Me, AZUREEN.
and I am MARINA.
and the title of our project is the High Concept Bin. And let me show you more about what this bin is about.
The high concept bin, a smart trash can that is able to separate wet and dry items into different compartments. The wet compartment will have a hose connected to it so it is able to drain the water. Beside the bin, there will be a compost bin that serves its own function. Students will empty their food waste into the bin before throwing it into the trash bin, helping the school cleaner by not having to separate it manually. The compost bin will produce a compost which can be used for the school garden or the special needs students who has a gardening program. But to produce compost, we will need dry organic, which is easily found near the school ground.
For problem statement, first, it creates unhygienic surrounding and contributes to air pollution and climate change. Second, increase health risks for students, teachers, and cleaners. Third, plant and soil are deprived of potential natural nutrients. And lastly, improper waste separation leads to all types of waste being thrown into the same bin. This is the solution we came up with. Smart sorting. It uses internal moisture sensor to instantly divide wet food waste from dry recyclables. Second, liquid drainage. It features a built-in drainage hose that filters out liquid, eliminating foul odors and heavy leaking bags. Third, ultrasonic sensor. When it's full, it will make a beep sound. And lastly, eco-friendly. Channels organic wet waste into the school composting system to nourish our garden.
Next is key benefits. First, it keeps the school clean, safe, and hygienic. Second, it reduces the workload of cleaners. Third, it promotes responsible waste management habits. And lastly, creates a healthier environment for students and teachers. Our uniqueness is food and drink waste from the wet compartment turned into compost. The compost is used to feed school plants and soil, helps the school cleaner by separating wet and dry items and not needing to do it manually. And lastly, ultrasonic sensor can detect when the bin is full.
Moving on to demonstration session, where you can see this is our high concept bin, where's a wet and dry label. If we take a closer look right over here, there's an ultrasonic sensor which detects wet and dry items. AZUREEN, would you mind testing the wet item first? As you can see, it falls smoothly on the wet compartments. How about the dry one? It also falls smoothly to the dry compartment. Moving on right over here, there is a sensor that makes a beeping sound when it detects when it's full. Also, if you take a closer look right over here, there's a hose connecting to it, so the drainage of the water will fall right over here. And also, you also mentioned that we have a compost bin, which there is dry leaves to help for the composting system and also help the school gardening. And that is all for our demonstration session.
The high concept bin is an effective practical solution to the school improper waste disposal issue by introducing automated or simplified wet and dry waste separation at the source. The project successfully transformed harmful waste into valuable compost for the campus ecosystem. Ultimately, implementing this bin reduces the burden on cleaning staff, protects community health, and fosters a more sustainable, environmentally responsible school community for tomorrow.
With that, we conclude our presentation. And our hope for this project is to reduce pollution and keep the school environment clean,
To encourage proper waste separation among students,
And to increase recycling and composting efforts.
and with that, Innovators sign off.